Hello YouTube friends. Welcome to the Car Release TV channel. Please subscribe to this channel and activate the bell so you get the latest video updates. The full-size light-duty Ram 1500 pickup truck has evolved over the years into a well-rounded machine. Its looks are burly, even elegant, but that should in no way suggest that this truck isn't capable. Typical of this segment, at least with the domestic makers, the Ram is available in regular, extended, and crew cab configurations. The regular cab is called the Ram 1500 Classic and is based on a much older body style. Choose the 4-door versions for the latest design. Standard rear-wheel drive, available 4-wheel drive, varying bed lengths, package options, and powertrain upgrades allow for substantial personalization across multiple trim levels. The Ram's interior is the talk of the town, particularly with the crew cab model. Not too long ago, the terms luxury and pickup truck were not mentioned in the same breath. The Ram 1500 changes that, especially in the top trims where fine leathers deck the interior. The Ram rides smoothly, helping to cosset the passengers. Like any other model, the 1500 is a challenge to maneuver on city streets. There is no lack of powertrain options available in the Ram 1500. The base engine is a 3.6-liter V6 with 305 horsepower and 269 pound-feet of torque. Next up is a 5.7-liter V8 engine with 395 horsepower and 411 pound-feet of torque. Topping the range and exclusive to the TRX is a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine with a monstrous 720 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. A fourth engine, this one diesel-powered, is also available. This 3.0-liter turbo diesel V6 bangs out 260 horsepower and 480 pound-feet of torque. Like the other three engines, this one works with an 8-speed automatic transmission. In all things safety, the Ram 1500 is a mixed bag. While competitors are adding standard safety features across the board, the Ram reserves automatic emergency braking for the upper trims. The same can be said for features such as blind spot monitors, active lane control, and adaptive cruise control. They're available on most trims, but not standard equipment. Newly available for 2021 is a head-up display and a rear-view camera mirror. We don't have an official release date from Ram just yet, but based on previous years, the 2022-1500 should arrive in early fall. The 2022-1500's pricing should stay close to the current model's range. That range spans from $34,490 to $58,295. Various upgrades, including cabin size, drivetrain, engine, and packages impact the price. For instance, the special edition TRX costs more than $100,000. Competitors in the full-size pickup truck market include the Ford F-150, Chevrolet Silverado, GMC Sierra, Toyota Tundra, and the Nissan Titan.